Hello students, we had completed preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Then we had done preparations of only aldehydes and some methods for preparation of ketones. Now we have to start with physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Physical property of aldehyde and ketone. In physical properties, we have to do boiling points and solubility. Order also we can do, how they smell, aldehydes and ketones. First is boiling point of aldehydes and ketones. If we compare boiling point of aldehyde and ketones with alcohol, then we found out that alcohol have more boiling point than aldehydes and ketones. Of comparable molecular mass, alcohol have more boiling point than corresponding aldehydes and ketones. Why it is so? Aldehyde and ketone. Corresponding means of same molecular mass. If we take alcohol and aldehyde ketones of same molecular mass, if we compare, then alcohol have more boiling points than aldehydes and ketone. What is the reason? In alcohol, this is general formula of alcohol. In alcohol, there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This way, H, O and R. So, due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol, their boiling points are higher. What type of intermolecular attraction in aldehydes and ketones? We know in aldehydes and ketones, there is polar carbonyl group, C double bond O group. This is polar carbonyl group. This bond is polar, this group is polar. Why it is polar? Because oxygen is more electronegative, so it gets partial negative charge. Carbon gets partial positive charge. So due to polar nature of carbonyl group, and this carbonyl group is present in aldehyde and ketones, there is dipole-dipole attraction. In aldehyde and ketone, there is dipole-dipole attraction, which is comparatively weaker than hydrogen bonding. So, strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol compared to intermolecular hydrogen bond, there is weaker in dipole-dipole attraction in aldehydes and ketones. That's why alcohol of comparable molecular masses having high boiling point compared to aldehyde and ketones. But we found out that aldehyde and ketones have higher boiling points than hydrocarbon and ether of comparable molecular masses. So if we compare aldehyde with hydrocarbon and ether, hydrocarbon and ether compounds, they have low boiling point, than aldehydes and ketones, What is the reason? Because in hydrocarbon, as hydrocarbons are non-polar, hydrocarbon have formula RH. They have only carbon and hydrogen. There is not much less difference in electron negativity of carbon and hydrogen. So, they are non-polar compounds. Hydrocarbon are non-polar. And between two non-polar molecule, there is very weak London force of attraction, dispersion force of attraction. So due to very weak van der Waal or London force of attraction in hydrocarbon, their boiling points are least. So in hydrocarbon, being non-polar compounds, what type of intermolecular attraction they have? Van der Waals. Van der Waal means dispersion force of attraction they have. Dispersion force of attraction, which is weakest force of attraction among all. So in hydrocarbon there is van der Waal, yeah, weakest force of attraction. That's why their boiling points are least. In ether compound also, no doubt there is carbon-oxygen bond in ether. But this carbon-oxygen bond is not so polar as in alcohol. And that's why alcohol have highest boiling point compared to any other compound, that is aldehyde and ketone, hydrocarbon and ether. So if we compare the compounds of alcohol, aldehydes and ketone, hydrocarbon and ether of comparable molecular mass, जैसे 58 to 60 if they have molecular mass, and if we are comparing the boiling points of these compounds, the first is N-butane, which is hydrocarbon. Second, we compare methoxyethane, it is ether. Methoxyethane, which is ether. Third is propanal, which is aldehyde. Propanal. Fourth, if we compare acetone, and then propane-1-ol, which is alcohol. Like N-butane, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Methoxyethane, CH3O, C2H5. This is ether. Propanal, aldehyde, CHO. After that, acetone, CH3COCH3, which is acetone. Propane-1-ol, CH2, CH2 and OH. All are of comparable molecular masses. Their molecular masses are almost same. This is hydrocarbon. So what type of attraction they have? Van der Waals attraction. They are also having weak intermolecular attraction. Aldehyde and ketone, they have dipole-dipole attraction. And propanal have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So maximum boiling point among these compounds is propane-1-ol. This is having maximum boiling point, that is 370 Kelvin maximum, and minimum of hydrocarbon, that is 273. So boiling point depends on intermolecular attraction. If intermolecular attraction is strong, boiling points are higher. If intermolecular attraction is weak, then the boiling points are lower. Okay. First, boiling point depend on molecular masses. If compounds have more molecular mass, their boiling points are more. But if we are comparing the compounds of similar molecular masses, almost similar molecular masses, then we have to go for the functional group, that is intermolecular attractions. Clear? Now, solubility. Aldehyde and ketone compounds are soluble in water. Because they form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecule also. So if we compare solubility, aldehyde and ketones are water soluble. Why they are water soluble? See, this is aldehyde and this is ketone. General formula of aldehyde and ketone. They form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecule, H, O and H. This can also form O, H and H. So due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they are water soluble. See, here also it form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecule. This is water, this is ketone. Here also This is water molecule. This is aldehyde. So aldehyde and ketones are water soluble because they form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecule. One point also we have to keep in mind, and that is, as molecular mass of aldehyde and ketone increase, their solubility decreases. As molecular masses of aldehyde and ketone increases, their solubility decreases. What it means? Suppose we have methanol, HCHO, methanol, ethanol, CH3CHO, acetone. They are fairly soluble in water. They are highly soluble in water. Soluble in water, but highly soluble in water. As molecular mass increase, suppose we take hexanol, 3, 4, 5 and this 6, hexanol. Then it is less soluble in water. Molecular mass increase means this R group increase. What type of group is this alkyl group? Non-polar. So if non-polar part in a molecule increase, solubility decreases. So as molecular mass of aldehyde and ketone increases, solubility decreases. So फिर वो किस में soluble होंगे? If they are not soluble in water, then they are soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, ether, methanol, chloroform. So aldehyde and ketones having higher molecular masses, they are soluble in non-polar solvent. But lower molecular masses like methanol, ethanol, acetone, they are highly soluble in water. Now if we look at their smell or odor, they have less pungent odor and more fragrant odor. अच्छी smell आती है, और जिसमें अच्छी smell होती है, they can be used for making perfumes. So aldehyde and ketones are also naturally occurring aldehyde and ketones. They are used for blending of perfume and as a flavoring agent. But જેમ molecular mass increase થશે, એનું order જે છે pungent થતું જાય. So some aldehydes and ketones, they have good smell, they have good odor. So they can be used as a flavoring agent and for blending of perfume. Now we'll see one question, how the boiling points changes in a compounds. Question number 12.2. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their boiling points. First is given butanol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. This is called butanol. Second is given butanol, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Butanol. This is butanol. Third is ethoxyethane. And fourth compound is given butane. This is butane, N-butane. This is ethoxyethane, butanol and butanol, which is having maximum, minimum. We have to arrange them in increasing order of their boiling point. If you want to arrange them in increasing order of boiling point, what we have to see? Intermolecular attraction. Butane, it is hydrocarbon. What type of attraction it has? Van der Waals attraction. That is dispersion attraction, which is the weakest force of attraction. Dispersion, force of attraction. What type of attraction force it has? Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. What type of attraction butanol has? It has dipole-dipole attraction. Dipole-dipole attraction. Ether is polar compound, but not so polar like aldehyde and ketones or alcohol. They are less polar. So they have van der Waals attraction. Van der Waals attraction. And which is weakest force of attraction? Dispersion. So first compound, suppose we give the number, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Which is having least boiling point? Number 1. Because it has weakest force of attraction, that is dispersion force. Second is ethoxyethane. Third is butanol. And the last maximum boiling point, that is of third. This way, sorry. Maximum alcohol, then aldehyde and ketone, then ether, and then hydrocarbon. So what I mean to say, boiling points, if you want to compare, then you have to compare their intermolecular attraction force. Which is maximum intermolecular attraction force? Hydrogen bonding. Second, dipole-dipole attraction. Third is van der Waals or dispersion force of attraction. So depending upon the intermolecular attraction forces, we can compare their boiling points. Now very important reactions given by aldehyde and ketone, and that is nucleophilic addition reaction. So in next video we will talk about nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketones.